shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 29th, 2020. So where are we on the SPY? Well, we came down and we hit this 15 EMA. How many of you do not have this guy on your charts? 15 exponential moving average on the daily chart. Look how amazing it is. We came down to it, hit it here, put it on your chart. It's free, 15 EMA. Yeah, it's awesome. We use it on the 5-minute chart for gap ups. It's the trend trade in the morning. But even on the daily chart, it's really powerful. So I'm going to be bullish above 323.50. And I'm going to be bearish below 321.40. Yeah, why did I pick 40? How many of you are wondering, why did she pick that level? Yeah, I know you are. I'll show you why. Because of this Camarilla right here. This little guy, I would have picked 50, but I figured here's the pocket. And I like to trade the pockets. So, yeah. So bullish above here. And bear. So why did I pick 323.50 for the bull side, right? A little lesson this morning. The reason I picked that is we had a dark pool level yesterday. 323.18, a new one. Write this down. 323.18. So I want to be bullish above that. Yep, and the next major level is 323.50. So there you go. That is how I pick those levels. All right, let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 3225. We tested it, bounced down. Good, first test. Let's wait for that second test with volume increasing. And that would be bullish. Bear below 3215. Let's go to the Russell. On the Russell, we're going to be bullish above 147.50. And we're going to be bearish below 146.25. We have the QQQs, bullish above 260.80. Why did I pick that level, right? Well, we have all of these dark pool levels here. 260.10 is a new one, by the way. If it's bolded, it's new. 260.48 and 260.77. Yeah, that's where they were selling, so I want to go above that to be bullish. And, of course, we'll be bearish below 257.40. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. The NASDAQ futures, we're going to be bullish above 10,625. And we're going to be bearish below 10,550. All right, now we're going to go to the oil sector. Here's our, oh, lots of volume just came in. Look at that, you guys. Swoosh. Yeah, we have lots of dark pool activity on the oil stocks, and we have ExxonMobil and Chevron reporting on Friday. Yep, so stay tuned. We're going to have a big move. Bullish above 41.80. This is a really key level. Remember those trend lines I showed you yesterday? I'm just going to remind you on the weekly chart. Yeah, these guys. So yesterday I showed you that we had this possible dreaded H happening. If we roll over, okay, we'll go down. But, you know, obviously we'll be bullish above here. 45 is really a major level. Yep, confirmation. But if we start to round about, that will be bearish. So let's just go back to that 5 minutes. So then you know why I have these green dotted lines. Those are those trend lines. So bullish above 41.80, bear below 41.25. We just came down to this pivot. And hit that. Yeah, we'll see where this is really big volume. So definitely watch and see where it wants to go after that. Let's go to the gold futures. Yeah, gold futures, we are going to be bullish above 1980. Yeah, bullish above 1980 and bearish below 1955 for a retracement trade. Yeah, gold has been super hot. We'll see how this candle closes, by the way. It's strong right now. No upthrust happening on the weekly candle, but we never know by Friday. Yeah, but if it does stay strong, imagine if we had three white soldiers. Yep, could be possible. It's setting up. Right now it looks like 2. All right, let's go to... I also heard Goldman Sachs upgraded gold. Yeah, you know what price target? 2,300 by the end of the year. Something like that. Well, we did see them buying it. I'll let you know when we see them selling it. Yep. Love it. Follow the prints way before those announcements. All right, let's go to Otis's favorite stock, Shop. Look at that, Otis. Shop is going to the moon. Holy cow. We did have a really nice bull flag here. Yeah, so here's that flag pole from about 750 to 950. So that's up 200 points. So we could go to 1,200. Easy. Yeah, really great earnings. All right, bull above 1050. I posted this out earlier. We're already going and hitting. Here's our third target, 1087. Yeah, let's see if it's the last eighth is the most expensive eighth in the entire planet, according to Jesse Livermore. Yeah, let's see if they pull it back from here or not. Yeah, that's why I put 1087, by the way. So it's $12.50, but if you're looking at lower price stocks, it would be 12.5 cents. But when it comes to these guys, it's 12.5 bucks. All right, we're going to be bearish only below 1025. But now I would look at 1050. And another thing you want to look at, that trend trade. Here's that 15 exponential moving average, the dotted green line, right? After the first 15 minutes, so at 9:45 Eastern, if Shop goes below that and closes below it on a 5-minute candle, then it would most likely be a pop and drop scenario. If not, it's a pop and pop higher. Up, it is going. All right. Let's go to GE. I'm actually disappointed. Yeah, not much of a move. Well, let's see how it closes today. Yeah, but not much of a move after that massive dark pool print at 675. So this is going to be more of a swing trade. Yeah. If it closes above 712, that's been a key level in the past. Yeah, bullish for the swing side. But if it goes down below the 675 print level, that's going to be bearish. All right, so stay tuned for that. Let's go to AMD, on fire. Bullish above 75. It already went up and hit it hit almost 2 targets, 75.80, right? There's that last eighth, pretty much last fifth, and then they pull it back. Yeah, they fake you out a little bit and then might push it forward again. But yeah, watch the 75 level, second test. If it does pull down a little bit with volume coming in to go in on the long side, bear below 73.50 for a retracement trade. All right, so Kodak was on yesterday's Whisper, and again, it made it on today. We've already hit 3 targets, and you know, I post these guys out really early on the app. So if you are a pre-market bandit, definitely take advantage of that. But 15, so watch the 15 level. Yeah, this is a very popular pattern, by the way. It'll go up about 20 cents above a major level, like a 15, like a $5 increment, as 15 is, and then pull back. Yeah, that's not a good sign usually, if it can't hold a 15. Nope, so we could have a retracement, guys, yeah, coming in now. And I know my level is pretty low at 11. Let me just give a new level. Again, this is where learning how to do this is very helpful. I'm going to be bearish below 14 for retracement. All right, bullish above 15 at this point and bear below 14. Okay, let's go to NEO. And by the way, today is the last day to sign up for our bootcamp class on Monday. We are closing the registration, so if you are interested in it, yeah, go ahead and you can shoot me an email, Stephanie with an F, at thedarkpools.com, or you can just go to our website, thedarkpools.com. Go to the store live, and there is the bootcamp class. You can register online. But we like to close it a couple days so that we can get everybody registered and give out all the information. All right, and it's okay if you miss this class. We're doing another one November 30th, so mark it down on your calendar. All right, let's go to NEO. Bullish above 13, bearish below 1180. 13 and 1180 for NEO. Yeah, so it looks like that flag pattern is happening. Yeah, I really like this if it closes strong today for a swing. Okay, let's go to the next one. GLD. GLD, we're going to be bullish above 184.02, and we literally just hopped the fence there. Yep, and we're going to be bearish below 182.80 for GLD. Boeing had earnings, and it had a massive print recently. That's why my levels are so wide. The print was at 178.34. So this is more for swing trade. If it does go up and closes above that, then I'll be bullish. If not, I won't. But I will be bearish below 167.50. Now, I just want to give you guys a little tip. Bullish above means we're going long. Bearish below means we're going short. That's not our stop loss. If you go long on, say, like Boeing at 178.51, okay, if you go long there, you don't put your stop loss below the bearish below. No. That's not a stop loss. That's just where we go short. There's a no trade zone in between. No trading. All right, these are serious levels. Now, how do you determine your risk, your stop loss? That's up to you. How much do you want to risk on each trade? So this is what I'll be teaching you in boot camp next week. All right, so just wanted to make sure, because I did get an email from somebody that thought that was the way you're supposed to trade it, and that is not. Okay, so let's go to AFA. AFA, we're going to be bullish above 550. And it looks like we just went and hit a couple targets, and we've come back down to test it. So watch that 550 level after the bell. Going to be key. Bear below 520. Yeah, it's definitely had a pretty wide range this morning, but if it can't hold this 520 level, yep, look out below. Very long-legged doji. Really not my favorite to trade, to be honest. Not a fan of those. Let's go to the GM. GM had earnings, and it had massive 7.5 million print at around that 25.56 area. We are well above that. Somebody knew something. We're going to be bullish, though, above 27.50. There is some more room to the upside here before we hit this 161 EMA. If you don't have that on your chart, go ahead, put it on. It's free. 161 exponential moving average. I first put it on my charts for commodities, but it's great for everything. It's so good. So go ahead and put that on. That's a good target. It means there's going to be computers selling there. So that's what those moving averages are so good for. Computers are loaded to buy when we come down to them and sell when we go up to them. So they're great for targets. GM, though, I will be bearish if we do go below. And again, earnings season is crazy. We've had wild days where it's up big and then it's down big at the end of the day. So really, for swing purposes, if we did go below 25.50, that's when we turn bearish. But as long as we stay above it, that's good. That's bullish. Let's go to Faye. Fire Eye. Oh, yeah. Of course, they're doing well right now. We're going to be bullish above 1520. Yeah, so this is another good trend trade to watch, the 15 exponential moving average on that 5-minute chart. See if it's going to be a pop and pop higher or a pop and drop scenario. Use these levels as well, 1440 bearish below. Let's go to silver. Hot, hot, hot. Yeah, it's been super hot. Is it going to move higher? Yeah, it could, absolutely. It's been pushed down for so long. It should be at 30 by now. That's how I feel. You know, they kept it down for so long. Silver, we're going to be bullish above 22.75 today. Bear below 22.20 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to Starbucks. All right, Starbucks. The reason it is up is because of our trader, Jay. Jay the trader, also an instructor in the training pit, goes to Starbucks how many times a day, Jay? Yep, he is the reason. This stock is up on good earnings today. We are going to be bullish above 79. Thank you, Paul, for that level this morning. And bear below 78 for a retracement. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Mavita. Yeah, Mavita loves this stock. And yep. Tesla, I just bumped it up a little bit, Mavita, to $15.12.50 because that's $12.50. And I know it likes to trade on those increments. Yep. And we're going to be bearish below $14.80 for Tesla. Yeah. It's at an interesting spot here. Yep, it's kind of stuck. You really want it to be unstuck. If it goes above the 8, yeah, there's a lot of room. But if it goes down, there is support at 1460, so we could go down, and that's why I did this right here, that 1460 level. Yep. All right. So we have one more. GDX. I've been rolling this one in the Java pit. It's been phenomenal. Really, we've been trading this thing all the way up. Sometimes the gold miners may not move with gold. So gold, GLD, gold futures could move up. And you may see the miners not if the market's going down. Because remember, these guys are stocks, right? Where gold is a commodity. So if the stock market's going down, a lot of times the miners will be weak. But if gold is as a hedge and going up when the market's going down, you'll see GLD moving up. That happened in December, if you recall. So sometimes that happens, and sometimes they move up together. Sometimes gold miners excel when the market's moving up, especially. The miners will be stronger. So again, just watch and pick your gold stocks accordingly to that. All right, but GDX bullish above 44 and bearish below 43. All right, that's it, you guys. There you have it. Those are your whispers for July 29th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.